The PNP reports a growing number of crime incidents involving Facebook and other social media network users. The full report from Alvin Baltazar.
The PNP today warns the public, particularly Facebook users, to be very discreet in posting their pictures over the said social media network. Police Senior Superintendent Rene Espera, Chief of Staff of the Anti-Kidnapping Group, said that kidnapping syndicates now are also scouting prospective targets through social media. Espera said that from the usual stakeout, kidnappers have leveled up already on how they could possibly track the movement of their would-be victim. Criminals, according to Espera, are also preying on their prospective targets via Facebook, Instagram, and other social networking sites.
Karamihan sa kanila, nagsiship na doon yung mga prospect nila. Kasi may nangyari na yan na insidente na tanggap natin na through Facebook nagkaroon sila ng insidente na gano'n.
Not less than 5 cases of kidnapping based on the AKG's record have been reported where suspects found their target victims through Facebook. With this, Espera advises the public to be extra cautious on what to be posted on social media so that criminals won't have so much idea about one's identity.
Do not expose yung kung ano man yung mayroon ka para hindi nila makuha yung identity mo. Kung ano ang mayroon ka para sa kanila, mag-encourage sa kanila na kikidnapin ka.
Meanwhile, Teresita Ang's group has a new recommendation on how to elude any possible attempts of kidnapping. Whistle, according to Teresita Ang, would be one of the most highly recommended approach enabled to effectively foil possible abduction.
Yung pito, yun ang ginagawa ng ibang mga private schools ngayon. Kasi pag natakot sila, hindi sila makasigaw. Ask them to just blow the whistle to call attention to themselves. Marami yan.
For the People's Television, Alvin Baltazar.